everyone, my name is Claire, and today's Eat for Health recipe video is for a yogurt parfait. This parfait can be used for breakfast, an afternoon snack, or maybe even a dessert. It's really versatile and great for anything. The Greek yogurt we'll be using is high in protein, so when we combine it with the fruit, we'll be making this recipe delicious as well as healthy. Let's get started by taking a look at our ingredients.
The ingredients for this recipe are super simple. First, we have some granola. This part is totally optional, but can also be a really tasty addition to your parfait. Next, we have our berries. The recipe calls for fresh berries, but I'm recording this in the fall, so it's a bit harder to get good quality fresh berries. Instead, I grabbed some frozen berries and defrosted them for my parfait. This option is just as good as getting fresh berries, so keep that in mind when you're looking for these ingredients at the grocery. My berry mix has strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, but feel free to combine any of your favorite berries as you please. We also have our plain Greek yogurt and our honey for topping. Now that we have all of our ingredients laid out, let's put our parfait together.
Alright everyone, we have all of our ingredients laid out, so we're going to start to prepare our yogurt parfait. And you can really layer this in any way you want. I have my glass already with the granola in the bottom. Remember, you can choose whatever toppings you want. It can be granola, it can be nuts or graham crackers or coconut, seeds, trail mix, anything. So that's what makes it so customizable and so much fun to play around with all the different options. But I have some of that in the bottom, and I'm going to put some of my yogurt on top of that. I'll leave a little bit left over so we can do some more layers. Then I want to put some fruit in. So have some of my berries to layer too. I'm going to add some more yogurt on top of that. I just finished this off, so we'll just have the 2 layers in total. Okay, and I'm going to add the rest of my fruit. Okay, so I have that. I'm going to add a little bit more granola just for the topping. My granola is super crunchy and chunky, so I'm going to sprinkle it up a little bit. And then I'm going to do my drizzle of honey just for a little bit of sweetness in the yogurt, but also it's just going to complement the fruit really well. And there we have it. I'll get some pictures of it, the side view, so you guys can see. But now this is completely ready to enjoy.
Here's our final product. You can see all of the different layers and pretty colors from the berries. Like I said, feel free to change up the toppings or the layering as much as you want. This parfait is going to taste amazing either way. Thanks for joining me for this Eat for Health video. Please check out our other recipe videos on our website. Enjoy your parfait, and I'll see you all next time.